Good afternoon, welcome to Gengras Subaru. My name is Jason Brigendi. I'm going to help you out today on the specifics of a factory order. So, a lot of people like certain things in their cars. One thing nice about a factory order, you can get exactly what you want on the car and more or less in the car as long as it is within the trim package that those items are allowed in. You can go right down to even the stuff on the car, body side moldings, splash guards, the door edge guards. So basically you come in, you tell us, I'd like to put in an order. I know what I want, color, this, that. We can print you out a little sheet, gives you the breakdown of all the accessories that you can put on the car. Like I said, splash guards, body side moldings, stuff like that. Have you go through, check off what you want, pick the color that you want, the interior color. So once again, my name is Jason. I work here at Gengras Subaru in Torrington. This sounds like something that you'd like to do. If you know specifically what you want, come down, see us. We can make it happen.